Hello, welcome back to my channel. I hope y'all having a great day today. I decided to do a stand. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to distress it. So I'm going to show y'all just how you do it. First of all, what you need some kind of sander. This is, I got this from Lowe's. It's a medium sander. They're going to sand it off a little bit so the paint can adjust to it. Then just some kind of paint. I'm just using this white acrylic paint. That's what I'm going to use for this. And also, I got my little bowl, got my paint already in it. And then I'm also going to use this stain. It's a mini wax poly shade stain. It's a one step. This is what you're going to need. Also, just some kind of towels or something that you can do with your stain. Okay, we're going to get started. So first of all, I'm going to go ahead and paint this. I'm going to paint this first. Because it needs to be white if you're going to use your stain. See, like I'm doing, just kind of painting it all around. So I'm going to get back with you all after I get through painting this, and I'm going to show y'all what I did. Okay. Okay, I have finished painting it. I went all around it with my little brush. And I'm leaving some little streaks in it, and that'll help when I get ready to put my poly stain on it, that it can get through it. It's going to be real pretty when I finish with it. And now we're going to put our stain on. I let this dry for about, probably about an hour. It's depending on what type of paint you're using. Just make sure you kind of touch it and make sure it's real dry. And mine seems to be dry within an hour. So I'm getting ready to put the stain on. I'm going to use my little brush. We're going to brush it on. Yes. And after you put it on, then you're going to get this little towel or whatever you have. You're going to wipe it off. And it's depending on how contrast you want it to be. And paint is not like, you can paint it, let it dry, but this right here, you can't just let it dry because it'll be hard to come off. So if you got your little towel or little paper, we're going to go ahead and start wiping. And this just make it kind of look kind of old, like you've been had it a long time. Isn't that pretty? See how it getting in between the little ridges? I hope y'all can see what I'm seeing. Looking pretty nice, isn't it? See how they're looking? Oops, let's show me some more stuff up under there. I didn't get to. But see how they're looking? It is so beautiful. I want y'all to try this at home. But I'm gonna let it dry. Hope y'all can see that. See those ridges around there? They look pretty. That is so pretty. Okay. And my candle done dried. I let it dry for about an hour just to get back on the video. Just let it dry at least 24 hours. That's what I would do. And if you, and it's best to do these outside, especially when they got to do with paint and stain because of the fumes. And if you have allergies and stuff like that, it should be done outside. But see how beautiful this is? I just want to show y'all real quick how beautiful it is from the first time we did it. Also have these kind of sticks that I did. And I just painted these and I just kind of sand them down. And that'll be on another video. So I just want to thank y'all for joining me today, and I had a good time. And we're going to do something different the next time. And please subscribe and like and share. Blessed day. Bye bye.